Yo, what's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another video, and in today's video, I'm going to be picking up a truck from Facebook Marketplace. So, let's go. He's like right across town. So, let me go through the front door, not the garage door. Alright. I've only seen pictures of this truck, but it's like really rusty. Hold on, let me tailgate. Alright, I'm gonna text him. Alright. Yeah, it was supposed to rain today. I think it might snow though. Because it's like 35 degrees. But it said it was supposed to rain. Yeah, it's snowing. Looks like it's freezing rain. Alright. Go. Looks like he's right there. I've only seen pictures of the truck. Turn around so I can back Where's the truck? Over here? Is it over here? Is it over here? Alright. Okay. Can you do 750? Alright, I got it in my truck. truck was last started or something? You know when the truck was last started? $2015. Alright, hold on. Let me try to start it. Yeah, the battery's dead. Do you got jumper cables? Do you have jumper cables? Alright. The truck's dead. I didn't think about that. I didn't bring my jumper cables. Yeah, another metal truck. I think that's what I went to get. I think that's why I went in there. You okay in there? I heard some yelling. Now we're just waiting for him to bring the jumper cables. Oh, you found the cables? Alright. Do you think you can hook them up to your truck? Alright. It's just a cold start for the truck. Alright. So I'm gonna hook, you can hook those up right there and I'll hook the ones up to your truck. Alright, I popped the hood. Puts black on black, puts red on red. Alright. I'm gonna try, alright, you can try, can you start your truck for me? Huh? Can you start your truck? No, I'm talking about yours. Yours, because I just paid you $7.50 for that one. Alright, let's see. You got it? Alright, it started. It started. Yours isn't started? Well, this one started, so I'll just... Alright. See if it starts now. Well, you're not even in the driver's seat, eh? You're not even in the driver's seat. Let me... Oh, this one's automatic. Alright, man, well, See you later. Stay warm out there. Oh boy. No, there we go. Alright. So I need a bed, tailgate, new paint, let's see, need a new lift kit. I need a lift kit. Let's see. That should be it. Well, alrighty guys. Well, I'll see you in the next one. Stay tuned for part 2.